Last but not least on our list is PET scans, which is positron emission tomography. And this is currently being looked at for the long-term effects following concussion. So with what a PET scan is again, it's kind of like a CT scan, but they inject a radionucleotide, which is like a radioactive dye that goes around, and each one will bind to specific things. So it'll go and attach itself to specific, compounds, and then they'll take an image, and then wherever this compound is will light up on the scanner, so they'll be able to find things. And so there's a particular radionucleotide that I've seen in most of these studies called FDDNP, and they'll inject this into patients that have a history of, sports participation, multiple concussions, and they'll look at this, and then what the FDDNP binds to is tau protein, which is what they're finding in the brains of, a number of different conditions, Alzheimer's being one, but CTE is the other one that's of interest in the concussion world. So they inject this radionucleotide, it goes around, it binds to tau protein, then they take a CT scan, and if you have tau protein, all these areas will light up in the brain. So the hope is, with enough research, we can actually confirm that this is actually what we're finding, and we don't have that research yet. But the goal is to eventually be able to diagnose somebody with CTE before they die. Because right now, CTE is purely a post-mortem diagnosis. So we don't know until we actually do a full autopsy and do brain staining and things like that to actually find that protein. And so a little bit more research has to be done in this, but I know that there's groups in California. I know Julian Bale's group is working on this, and I've seen a couple studies from them. Bennett Amalu, who was made famous by the movie Concussion, his group's done some stuff as well.